Today is the last day of the ICOB 2018 convention here in Canada and is ending with a barbecue party, ladies and gentlemen. And all this is brought to you by KI Media World. As you can see, the delegates are getting ready to leave the hotel for the barbecue party. Already I can feel a sense of excitement. This barbecue was held 15 minutes drive away from downtown to the famous Trout Lake Park. As you can see, the delegates are already basking in the Vancouver sunshine, enjoying the scenery, lots of food and music and more food, generally relaxing.
This is it. Of course, we're going to barbecue. And then, whoa, that is it, man.
Meet Yvonne.
So right now I'm with a very special gentleman who's going to introduce himself and tell us a bit about the event and what to expect next year, hopefully.
Yeah, my name's Ivan Bawaz Batuma. I come from Kabale. I run Bunyonyo Veranda Resort and Rushaga Goldra Camp. This has been my first time to attend the international community of Banyakigezi. It has been wonderful. Vancouver is great and the meeting was great as well.
Even some delegates played a few games.
We have some Bachiga girls playing Kwepena here today at Trout Lake Park. Say hi, Gasha! At this juncture, I'm just about to get into this group and ask them how they feel about the event. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, hi.
Mbanze muturamsiye ho kaki.
Nogamba Kinyarurungi. Nayendi Nyarurungi wakigezazo owebyo burambuzi.
Of course, ni kureba kiware. Hati banzo tugambireho kake eji convention wagishangote.
Convention eji naturally generally. Tegizire shonga. Nakantu nora kuninywa
ho nakantu ka pancreatic juice.
Turya aha mpehoye nanka ya bicho bani chi I don't know. But generally atambura kurungi.
Yes, lovely. Can she
we are happy sanjire kurungi munonga. Given a chance I would come back to Vancouver.
Wow.
I've loved it.
Wonderful.
Yes. Very good. It's nice.
Yes.
Vancouver moya murungi twashemerwa ikomeje kugira kurungi twanurirwa.
Asa Vancouver ni Kigezi yenyine.
Wow.
Ngenu twahakunda emishozi emiti embeho ni Kigezi turi Kigezi Canada. Kigezi Canada. Kigezi ya Canada.
This is Kigezi.
This is Kigezi original.
Mine, you think Zaga Kigezi? When hati ni Kigezi?
Yes.
Wow.
Ejembe ngoko kujigurira ejo ni Kigezi.
Mutatina. Rukunde gumeho. Kale. Hati basebona ninda kubabuza eji convention mwagishanga muto.
Eje mbone bebonire aho kwatutungiremo networking twagira mu mukagondijo tubeta kamanyaga twa fundraising ne sente z'amashomero mbwenu twaraza hamwe ebigenderwa bya convention tubishirize.
So next year I'm hoping ngo tuza kuba twine convention nunji nkeji ninga projections
yonyenda kwebaza Abanyakigezi bona Urgatsoro Kanungu Rukungiri Kabare bona n'abanywani babo nyondo muramu wabo.
So but like Dennis said, it has been successful. And I think we must thank the originators, Abakuru, the board, who started this idea. Abantu bariyono bagikaringa on twashemerwa munonga ngu eminyeto yija. The message is, let's not forget our roots. Let the kids who have been born here not forget where they come from. Because so how will you go forward if you don't know where you came from?
All right, guys, you've seen and heard what has been happening here in Vancouver at the ICOB convention. We've had so much fun. It's been an amazing time. We just concluded the barbecue, and we also had on Saturday and Friday we had seminars, and just people reaching out and sharing their knowledge, and coming together to fundraise for our education fund in Kigezi. So we're so happy and extremely excited about the future. Next year the ICOB convention is going to be in Los Angeles. So you better come 2019. My name is Yvonne Couchet, and I thank you for coming.
And all this is brought to you by KI Media World.
Here's the microphone, right?
Why not follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and see you next year, 2019.